Welcome to the Emerson SmartVoice Tower Heater product demonstration. This demonstration is for models 200ER and the 200FR, which have the same smart voice features. For demonstration purposes, we will be using the 200ER. We will feature some of the 40+ commands here. For full feature and command list, you can refer to the user manual. Say hello to the Emerson SmartVoice Tower Heater 200ER, an innovative home appliance that you can control with your voice. Keep your home warm and comfortable with a smart heater that's easy to set up. No app, no Wi-Fi, no hub needed. Your private information stays with you. Just talk and the heater does the rest. Let's take you through the steps of how smart is made simple. To get things started, first plug in the heater into a wall outlet and that's it. Our on-device voice control does not require any special app or Wi-Fi connection, so no other setup steps are needed. The 200ER is now ready to be controlled via your voice. The most innovative feature of the Smart Voice lineup is the ability to use your voice to directly control the 200ER. So let's go over some operations using voice commands. You can use your voice to directly control the same functions that are on the remote and the control panel on the unit. The Smart Voice heaters use a wake word to activate the voice control features. Just say, "Hey heater," to get things going. Once you say the wake word, the heater will listen for 7 seconds for your command. The heater will beep once the wake word is heard, telling you it's ready for your voice command. "Hey heater, turn on."
Turn on.
"Hey heater, heat on."
Low heat.
"Hey heater, high heat."
High heat.
"Hey heater, low heat."
Low heat.
"Hey heater, sleep in 2 hours."
Turning off in 2 hours.
"Hey heater, cancel timer."
Timer off.
"Hey heater, voice response off." "Hey heater, voice response on."
Voice response on.
"Hey heater, voice control off."
Voice control off until you say voice control on.
"Hey heater, power off." Voice control on.
Voice control on.
"Hey heater, volume down."
Volume decreased.
"Volume up."
Volume increased.
"Volume all the way down."
Minimum volume.
"Volume all the way up."
Maximum volume.
"Hey heater, low heat."
Low heat.
To make the heater rotate, say, "Hey heater, rotate on."
Rotation on.
To make the heater stop rotating, simply say, "Hey heater, rotate off."
Rotation off.
"Hey heater, turn off."
Heat off. Fan will run until cool.
Thanks for watching this how-to video on the Emerson SmartVoice Tower Heater 200ER, the innovative voice-controlled, power-protecting heater from Emerson.